education portal. So this is the seventh part of acid, bases and salt. Okay, so today we will deal about the pH scale. Okay, pH scale. So what is a pH scale? It is a scale to measure the hydrogen ion concentration. Actually, pH scale is a scale to measure the hydrogen ion, that means H plus ion concentration. Okay, hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, so this universal indicator shows different color in different range, different color in different range within this pH scale. Okay, so this pH scale is the tool to measure the hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, so you can just note down the points. So this pH scale is used to measure the hydrogen ion concentration, and with the combination of the color we can compare the color with the pH values. Then we can compare with the pH of the solution, whether it is acidic or basic. Okay, so it is based on the H plus ion concentration. So we can say that we can draw this pH scale like this. Okay, so this is like this: 7, 0, 14. So within the pH scale, the value will range in between 0 and 14. Okay, that is in between 0 and 7 we can see acidic nature having solution. And in between 7 and 14 we will have basic nature having solution. Okay, that means when we dip this litmus paper to this solution to check whether it is acidic or basic, it's in acidic range, this litmus paper show red color, right? In basic region it will show a blue color, right? So that means actually it is a color ranging from red to blue. So when we are dipping this litmus paper into the solution, according to the pH change, whether it is acidic or basic, strong acid or weak acid, strong base or weak base, it will show different color in different region. Okay, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14, like that. So for each color range it will show different color. If in this region, that means in each value it will show different color. So by comparing this color with this litmus paper, we can denote whether it is acidic or basic and what is the pH value of that solution. Okay, so when we are drawing this pH scale according to the ion concentration, such as H plus and OH minus ion, we can draw it like this. Okay, so this colored area is for H plus ion. Colored area is for H plus ion, and this colorless area is actually for OH minus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration. Okay, so in acid solution we can see that H plus is the common ion within the acid, and in case of base, OH minus is the basic ion within this within the base. Okay, that means the common ion within the base is OH minus ion. The common ion within the acid is H plus ion. Okay, so when we are ranging from 0 to 14, when we are looking into this area, we can see that at first it is more, and when we are moving from 0 to 14, the area is decreasing. That means the hydrogen ion concentration is decreasing from 0 to 14. So when in these areas we can see more amount of H plus ions, right? So that means that solutions are more acidic. When the solution is having more amount of H plus ion, that solution will show acidic properties. And when we are moving from 0 to 14, we can see that OH minus ion is increasing. This concentration of OH minus ion is increasing from 0 to 14. Here we have this much amount of OH minus ion. Okay, that means the OH minus ion concentration is more in case of this region. In this region, more amount of OH minus ions, but less amount of H plus ions. Okay, so if in a solution more amount of OH minus ion is produced, we can say that that is basic in nature, and its pH value will range from 11 to 14. Okay, so that means when we are moving from 7 to 7 is actually neutral. 7 is actually neutral. Okay, that means that is not acid or not base. No, neither it will show the properties of acid nor it will show the properties of base. Okay, so when we are moving from 7 to 0, acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases. When we are moving from 7 to 14, basic nature will increase. Basic nature increases. Okay, so we will apply this pH scale in everyday life. Okay, so what is the meaning of this pH scale? Actually, we have said that this pH scale is actually based on the concentration of H plus ions, and it indicates by the number. By using this number and the color within this region, we can say that whether it is acidic or basic solution. Okay, so what is the meaning of this pH scale? P is in German, P stands for potence. That means power. Okay, that means how much amount of H plus is produced, or what is the power of H plus ions, whether it is more or less. Based on that, we are indicating this pH scale. Okay, so that's all about the pH scale. So I am rubbing this one. And in the previous class, we dealt about the case of neutralization reaction. We discussed about neutralization reaction, right? Neutralization reaction. So what is a neutralization reaction? Reaction between an acid and base, which gives a salt and water, right? And we can write this acid as HX and this as MOH, and we are getting this MX as the salt and water as the byproduct. Okay, so if this acid is strong, if the acid taken is strong, that means strong acid, if we are taking strong acid and we are taking weak base, what will be the nature of the salt formed? Because in strong acid more amount of H plus, right? In weak base more amount of metal, that means less amount of OH minus, right? So we can say that the salt will contain more amount of H plus ion, right? In acid we will have H plus as the common ion, and in base we will have OH minus as the common ion. Okay, so when we are comparing this nature with the pH scale, we can say that strong acid will have more amount of H plus ion, right? Weak base will have less amount of OH minus ion. So what will be the nature of the salt? The salt will show acidic nature. The salt will show acidic nature along with the water. Okay, that means the nature of salt is acidic. We are comparing between this one. Okay, so when we taking strong acid and strong base, what will be the nature of salt? Here we have enough amount of H plus ion and OH minus ion. This amount of H plus and OH minus ions are almost equal. So what will happen? This H plus and OH minus ions are almost equal means they will cancel the powers, or they will cancel the acidic nature. The base will cancel the nature of acid, and acid will cancel the nature of base. Okay, that means the salt will show neutral property. Salt will show neutral properties. Okay, So when we are taking weak acid and strong base, what will be the nature of this salt? Because it will have less amount of H plus ion, more amount of OH minus ion. That's why it will show more basic property. Okay. So the salt will have basic nature. Okay. So when we are taking the case of weak acid and weak base, then also the salt will show neutral. Neutral range. That means here the salt will show the pH range in between 0 and 7. Here the salt will show the pH 7. Here in between 7 and 14. Here the salt will show the pH in 7. Okay, that means when we, these are all about the salt, pH nature of salt when we are doing this neutralization reaction. According to the according to the nature of acid and base, we are getting acidic nature. In case of strong acid and weak base, we are getting acidic nature having salt. In case of strong acid and strong base, we are getting neutral nature having salt. Weak acid and strong base react with each other to get basic nature having salt. In case of weak acid and weak base, we are getting neutral salt. Okay, so that's all about this pH scale and this neutralization reaction and the pH of this salt. Okay, so thank you for today.